Pramila. Today let's see a topic from 3rd standard, 3rd term in science, book bag question and answers from Animal Life. Choose and write the correct answer. Mosquito sucks its food. Which of the animals given below sucks their food? Answer: butterfly. Bear sometimes eats pumpkin and sometimes eats fish. So it is an dash. Amnure. A bird that has beak which helps it to crack open shells and eat the seed inside its dash. Answer: sparrow. Flesh-eating animals have well-developed dash. Answer: canines. Elephant is a dash. Herbivore. Choose the carnivore. Answer: lion. In a food chain, a dash can be placed immediately before a snake. Answer: frog. Select the animal that has similar eating habit like a bear. Answer: hen. Find the odd one based on the habitat. Answer: fish. Which of the following has different eating habits compared to others? Answer: dog. Fill in the blanks. A small habitat is dash. Answer: leaf. Butterfly sucks dash from flowers. Answer: nectar. Chisel beak is present in dash. Woodpecker. The parrot eats dash. Nuts. A food chain always begins with dash. Plants. Answer the following questions. Land and water are common habitats. What is a habitat? Answer: the living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Example: whales live in sea, water, and foxes live in forest, land. Give 2 examples for each. Terrestrial animal, aquatic animal. Terrestrial animal, cat and lion. Aquatic animal, fish and crab. Why animals move from place to place? Answer: animals move in search of food. Nectar is the food of butterfly. Then what is the food of earthworm? Answer: soil with organic wastes. Differentiate a herbivore from a carnivore. Differentiate a herbivore from a carnivore. Carnivore. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous or carnivores. Example: hyena, tiger, lion, cheetah and seal. Herbivore. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous animals or herbivores. Example: deer, giraffe, cow, goat and elephant. Carnivore. Have sharp pointed teeth called canines. and used to tear flesh of animals. Herbivore. Have sharp, straight-edged, flat front teeth called incisors to bite the grass and leaves. Is human an omnivore or carnivore? Answer: omnivorous. Give an example of a food chain. Answer: grass, deer, tiger. Choose the correct food chain from the following. Answer: leaves, insect, bird. Thank you.